All right, y'all. So I've got this 2024 Duramax. It's the high country version, Black Diamond Edition. And anyway, one disappointing thing I'll tell you: you put this much money in a truck, and you got to deal with these junky old rubber mats. Good news is, I've got something much cooler I'm about to install. Check it out. Back here, I went and pulled out the factory ones. This is the driver's side. That's what that looks like. And then here is the 3W Auto Life. So these things are super nice. Look at that. This will lift up. Let's go set it in the truck. I want to see how well it contours. All right, so we can slid them in there. And all we can do is line that up with the hole there. Yeah, there we go, it's pinched. This side here. There we go. And then, what do you think, guys? I like that, looks good. Just feels much nicer, honestly, in the truck. Lines up to the edges pretty good. Go all the way around here. Now again, this carpet pulls off. Push down, pull up on the other. Okay, say if it's a snowy day or you're in a lot of mud, you don't want to get the carpet side dirty. That's how it handles that. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on the other, the rear of the truck and the passenger side, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Alright, so the factory wind's in the back. Basically slide up underneath here, and they groove together there in the center. Let's go ahead and take these on the back. Here's the passenger. Here's the driver's side. Let me go grab the other 3W ones. Here's the passenger side. Go and pull these out of the bag. I've got to admit, those are sharp. Those look really good. Let's go ahead and slide them over here up front. That fits in there like a glove, guys. So, see the edges right there? Notches right around there. I'm sure it'll lay down even more after a little bit in the heat or whatever. There's the passenger. Let's do the back. So there's the rear. So if you notice, it contours around these edges really nice. It does have these right here. If you have a clamp down in your truck. I thought it looked really good. See down. We'll go to the other side real quick. Lines up pretty well, guys. Good. So there's no carpet in the back. I don't know how I feel about that. I think it's probably a positive thing, and I like how it just meshes right up against the edges there real nicely. All right, while we're looking at 3W, here's my ones I have on my F-150. I'll drop a link down for these as well, but these have held up extremely well, if you can't tell. And I'll tell you this, you know, my kids have sat back here and drop drinks, and they clean off super well as well. Here's the passenger side. And they just fit very, very snugly as well. So Just want to show you those while we're looking at 3W. Kind of close this thing out, but to me that's a game changer. Like, looks really good. I'm going to show you the old Chevy before I haul them off. Anyway guys, hopefully the video is helpful to you. I'll drop a link down below for everything, but that's what the 3Ws look like. A couple of callouts I want to show you. So the one negative I think about this carpet, it only has one to hold it down the front, so it may slide around a little bit. I don't know, you do have these grooves to hold it in. I do feel it looks nice. And the other thing, I don't know if it's a positive or negative, but there's no carpet pieces in the back. I do like how it's one full piece. It doesn't have the I don't know, the things that connect them like that does. I'll drop a link down below where you can pick these things up and everything I know about them. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. And if the video is helpful, hit the like button. I want to say thanks for your support, thanks for watching the channel, and have an awesome day.